Hey everyone, welcome back. So today this is quite an uncommon sight. It's a Toyota Camry, but it's not a typical Toyota Camry that you're used to seeing here. This is a V40. That means it's the narrow body, Japanese market exclusive version of the Camry. The styling's completely different. The body, in fact, is completely different. This one is actually a four-wheel drive, full-time, all-wheel drive optioned version of the Camry, making it quite rare because Camrys normally are actually pretty rare in Japan. And in North America, we've got plenty of Camrys running around. Not a whole lot of them are four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It's a full-time all-wheel drive system, 50-50. This one is quite a find. We're always searching for these, and they just don't pop up too often in Japan for sale. So we're proud to present this one for sale here. And we've brought it in. It's got only 100,000 kilometers, so right around 62,000 miles. It's finished in this really nice dark blue metallic. It's got some aftermarket alloy wheels and a few other goodies, which we'll get into. So why don't we take a look inside front seat here. So upon entry, you're met with a really clean door card. This is finished in cloth, quite a nice velour type cloth. Power operated driver's seat. Stepping in, you're faced with a leather wrapped steering wheel. Your climate controls are all automatic, so you essentially set your temperature here in Celsius, and you can press auto, which will just maintain that temperature, or you can manually operate it as well. There's a neat button here, which is actually a heated windshield button that'll heat the bottom part of the windshield so your wipers don't get stuck. This is actually a cold weather spec version of this Camry, hence the all-wheel drive, the heated windshield, and it's actually got a more powerful HVAC heat system than what would normally be found in these cars. Down below, we've got a really nice AM/FM tape and CD factory Toyota unit. It sounds wonderful. Give you a closer look of these seats. They are in good shape, very comfortable. There's also a center console, which has an upper and a lower cubby. There's a neat switch here, which is your auto air purifier. So you can set that, and that will maintain a cleaner air on the interior of your car, which is cool. We see that quite a bit. Not quite a bit, but every so often there's a vehicle out of the Japanese market that has a built-in air purifier. So looking up, you'll see a very clean headliner. So if we go ahead and turn the car on, you'll notice that the gauge cluster has backlit needles. It's a little more premium, like something you'd see in a Lexus here. 103,000 on the odometer. Of course, all the standard stuff: power locks, power windows, power mirrors. This also has a folding mirror option, which if you press this button down here, you can see what happens. The mirrors fold and unfold, which is really cool. Not too many cars here in North America have that from Toyota or Lexus. But it was a little bit more standard in Japan because the roads are narrower, you have to park in tighter spaces, and it's just a handy feature to have. So let's take another look around the outside, and I can also show you guys in the rear. But I really like the front end styling of this car. It features a really cool grille, which is almost a throwback to Toyotas of the 70s. This car has been well maintained. The timing belt was done 3 years ago at around 84,000 kilometers. It's powered by the 2-liter 4-cylinder gas engine known as the 3SFE, very common engine. It was featured here primarily in the RAV4s, first-gen RAV4. It's known to be quite a reliable and fuss-free engine. So we've got a factory Toyota cargo mat. Looking through, you'll see a ski pass-through actually. I'll show you guys how that operates. So you pull on this here, and then you have pass-through access for snowboard, skis, other long objects right through into the rear middle row. Fill that back up. It's a pretty neat little car. Kind of a fun package because you've got the full-time all-wheel drive. You've got a domestic Toyota engine, something that's familiar here parts-wise. You can service it easily. Great fuel economy. This probably gets 25 to 30 miles per gallon, and with only 62,000 miles, pretty spacious second row. So in total, this is a 5-seater. There you have it. Quick little walkthrough of this 1995 Toyota Camry VX all-wheel drive. It's the V40 Camry. So exclusive to Japan, now available for sale here right in Portland, Oregon. Give us a call if it's still available, find out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next interesting vehicle.